What's up, nail friends? We just had a stock update on the nail throne. So in this video, I want to show you guys some of the new stuff we got in. Almost like nail throne news. So if you're interested in that, let's get started. Let's start off with loose glitter. So we got a bunch of brand new of the loose glitter, but there is some really cool shapes and stuff here. So I grabbed a couple of the ones for my collection. I want to show you guys on camera what the shapes looked like. Yeah, so let's open these up and I will give you guys a look. I'm also gonna have to wear gloves because my nails are tragic. So, I don't want you guys to see how bad they look. Okay, so we got in these cool shapes and stuff. So, like I said, this one's called North Star. We have in one called Rainbow Stars. So, and then this one called Tutti Frutti Fly. So, this one is like a pretty orange and it's like butterfly. Do you guys see? It's tiny little butterflies. This one is super cute. Great for summer. I know I'm gonna get so much use out of these little butterflies. But yeah, I'm really excited for the butterflies. I hope they come out with more butterfly shapes. I'm sure they will. So that one is called Tutti Frutti Fly, and this is on the site right now. We also got in this new one called North Star. So North Star is an iridescent one, but it's shaped like tiny little stars. So they appear to be one shape to me, but look how beautiful these are. Wow. Yeah, so that was the stars. So this one was called North Star. Oh, so pretty. And then we also have in this one called Rainbow Stars. And it is like North Star, but they're little rainbow stars. Does this one have other shapes or just one size? Let's see. Okay, more than one size in this one. You have the bigger sizes and the smaller sizes. I'm so excited for some holographic stars. I love putting little stars and stuff in nail art, so these are so cute. Also just wanted to quickly show you guys 3 more. I am gonna actually do another glitterbels loose glitter swatch video like I did in my last one, so I only wanted to show you a couple in this one just because it's kind of like a quick update video. So we got in Chameleon, and this one is a mixed glitter. Yeah, so we already have in the fine Chameleon, and now we have in the mixed, and I also think we have in the chunky. But look at that. I hope you guys can actually see it well on my camera. I'm not sure if you will. It's like multi-shifting color. Oh wow, this one is so nice. I cannot wait to get use out of that one. And then we also got in this one called Exotic, and this one is chunky, and that's what this one looks like. I quickly grabbed this one because I don't know, I just thought it looked really cool. It's almost like dragon scales, kind of like see-through, reddy orange, really neat. And then the last one I pulled to show you guys was called Crimson, and this is a mixed, and we do have chunky and fine, or chunky and medium too. So I just wanted the mixed one because I personally really like the mixes. Wow, that is so pretty. I love that. Next, into the nail throne, we got in some more coconut cuticle oil. So we have now all the cuticle oils from glitterbels in stock. So that is peach, freesia, almond, coconut, and I literally cannot remember. Now I have to check. Pineapple. And pineapple. Okay, so I grabbed the cuticle. I grabbed the coconut because I have not grabbed that one yet. And I wanted to snag a new one. It smells really good. It's got a blue tint to it, but you won't see that on the skin. It smells really good. They all smell very sweet. So I just wanted a new cuticle oil. So I've been using the peach, and now I've got the coconut as well. We finally got in the glitterbels Dappin dishes. I've been waiting to get these in for months. I don't know, every time I've tried to order them in, they were out of stock. So they finally had some, we finally got some. So I got one for myself, and I wanted to show you guys what they look like. So these are clear, and they have a little lid, and engraved with the glitterbels logo. I think you can actually see it in my camera, just like straight through that. So yeah, that's what that looks like. Yay, I'm so excited we got these in. I really like the way they're shaped. They look like a little diamond. Aren't they cute? So I'm gonna put some monomer in this because I am going to do some swatches in a little bit. So I have my clear, my glitterbels clear monomer. We ship monomer to the Canada and the US, so you guys can get the glitterbels monomer on our site. Okay, something else that we just got in and back in stock is the glitterbels porcelain powder. So I haven't been able to get my hands on it for my collection, so I quickly grabbed this, and I really want to show you guys what this looks like compared to soft white and snowdrops white, so you can kind of see the comparison. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up and swatch it for you and then compare the two or three. Okay, so dipping in, you can kind of see it's almost like a white with a nude tint to it. It's really pretty. But it's not full, like it's not a bright white. So I am holding these with my glove behind them so you can see the color difference. That is Snowdrops White. This one is soft white and this is porcelain. So can you see the difference? They're all different. I always thought that porcelain was the one that was kind of like cool tint, had a cool tint to it, but it's actually soft white that's cooler than porcelain, but they're all really nice. So that is in stock on the Nail Throne site right now. You may have also seen a couple new colors were released. I have some. Sweetie Pie was just released, Turf Me Over, and Orchid Princess. Also Peppermint, but we are out of stock, so I wasn't gonna swatch it because we're out of stock. But I will swatch these ones for you guys. So this new one called Turf Me Over is a nice green. I love green, so. Ooh, actually, these would look really nice together. I should do a set with that. Okay, so Turf Me Over is a really, really nice, kind of like dark green. Very, very nice. Doesn't really marble. Ooh, I like that. That will be great for spring nails, floral nails, 3D art. You could use this well in the at Christmas time. You could do a very elegant dark green set at Christmas time. That'd be really nice. I really like that. So that's Turf Me Over, and that is brand new. Some new glitters. We have Orchid Princess. So this is a really, really pretty purple glitter mix. So this is in the pre-mixed glitters. This is mixed with acrylic. Ooh. It's got a bunch of different sizes of glitter. It's really pretty. And that's what that looks like. Okay, another glitter that is new is called Sweetie Pie. And this is a chunky pink one. It's kind of similar to Candy Fizz if you have that one, but the shape is different. Candy Fizz is more like circles. And it's kind of got that iridescent shine on it when the light hits it. This is not technically a new glitter, but we didn't have it on our site for some reason. I forgot to add it. So this is new to the Nail Throne site because we didn't have it for till now. This is called Pink Pony. Ooh. So this is like a kind of brighter pink glitter. It's kind of got some iridescent glitters in it that shine green and blue. Wow, that's really pretty. Super fun and bright. So we just got this in to the Nail Throne. So those are in stock right now. We are also back in stock floral forms. These are the paper forms. We have a bunch. We also got in more of the extreme length tips. I love those tips. So those are back in stock too. So I know you guys have been asking when we get those back in stock, and they are. So yay. Just wanted to update you guys that we are also waiting on some other orders, waiting on a big order with glitterbels. We're gonna get in all the gel polish colors plus the new ones, gel top coat and Hema-free monomer, and everything else we're out of. So we'll be completely stocked up. That's in about a month and a half. So one more thing about the Nail Throne is that we right now have the sale of the month, 10% off the color Serenity, and you can use the code Serenity10 to get 10% off only this month, and it changes every month. And that is for Luminary Nail Systems Serenity color only. So you can get starter kit, pro kit, or just the color and receive 10% off that. Hope you guys like this Nail Throne news video with this new stock update, and make sure you check back for a glitterbels glitter swatch video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell next to it to be notified when I post, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.